Let us prove this theorem that if a side of a triangle is produced, then external angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Consider this triangle ABC in which the side BC is produced to D. Now we have to prove that angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACD. Now let me name these angles as angle A as 1, B as 2, C as 3 and angle ACD as 4. Now we have to prove that angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Now we know that angle 3 plus angle 4, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. The reason is that they form a linear pair. We know that BCD is a straight line, therefore angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. Also angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is also 180 degree. This is sum angle property. We know that sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now consider these two equations. Right hand side is 180 degree, so we can equate these two equations. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 3 is on the both sides, so we can cancel out this angle. So what we get, that angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. This proves our result. Now consider another statement, that in any triangle sum of all interior angles is equal to 180 degree. That is, in triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, sum of interior angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This we have to prove. Now what I have done, I have drawn a line L parallel to side BC of triangle ABC and passing through A. Now again let me name these angles as 1, B as 2, C as 3, this exterior angle as 4, this as 5. Now we have to prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now what we know, that angle 4 plus 1 plus 5, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, because L is a straight line and we know that straight angle is of 180 degree. This total angle is 180 degree. Also angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2 and angle 5, this angle, angle 5 is equal to angle 3. The reason is that they form alternate angles, and we know that if two lines are parallel, then pair of alternate angles are equal. For this reason angle 4 is equal to angle 2 and angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Now we can substitute the value of angle 4 and angle 5 in this equation. So what we get, angle 1 plus, in place of 4 we can write 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus, in place of angle 5 we can write angle 3. Angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, and this is the required result. Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 180 degree, or we can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C, interior angles of a triangle, is equal to 180 degree.